this is Jun from Motor Projector Factory in China. So today I'm going to introduce a very exciting and super mini projector, the Ray 402. So let's begin with the open box. You can see this is a gift box and it's very pretty. When you open it, you can see the front protect the projector, so it can prevent it get damaged from the international shipping. And here is the user manual, the DC adapter, remote control, and AV port. So finally, it is the projector. So you can see this is the mini size but with a higher function. It has 480 pixels with a brightness up to 70 ANSI lumens. It is 2100 lumens in the market. With a small size, it can match the performance with a bigger one. So it is the best for you to bring home and bring to your market. For this projector, it just released 2 months ago, so it is completely empty in your market. So you can bring this to your market to match your market. You know, all the technique products, it updates so fast. They need a newest projector to open it. If you have the bulk order, we can support 4 parts of OEM for yourself. The first part is the startup animation. You can print your logo, your startup animation, your brand advertising to startups. And the second part is the logo. We can print it to this projector here, or here, as you like. And the third part is the gift box. You can see this is a beautiful gift box. You can use it as a promotion, and we can print your logo into the box. And the final part is the user manual. If you are from some Japanese, Korean, speak Spanish, we can use your language to print the user manual. It's very convenient. So this is the 4-power OEM. And let's have a close look of this appearance. So from the top side, it is the remote, this is the control button. And here is the focus, manual focus. It's easy to operate. And for the front side, you can see it is a lens. It has a cover to protect it from the dust, from the scratch. It is built together, so it's very convenient and beautiful. And for the right side, it has a speaker. For this mini size, it also has a built-in speaker, so it's very convenient for you. And here is the DC power. And here we have 2 USB, one HDMI port. It is the best for you to use at home. It is enough for you. And here we have the head drive phone. And here is the AV port. And here we also have a Type-C port. You know what it was? You can charge with your phone charger. So it's very convenient for you. So that's all the introduction about it. Thank you.